Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to get Copilot on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. With the latest release of Windows 11 24H2, we don't get option to enable Copilot from the taskbar setting. As you can see here we don't have the option to enable Copilot on taskbar. However, there is a way to install Copilot on Windows 11. For that, you have to open Microsoft Store. Here on the search for Copilot, and from the search result, simply select Microsoft Copilot and here click on install. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you can simply click on open button. So here we have the Copilot application. Simply allow all the permissions. After that, simply sign in to your Microsoft account to use Copilot on your Windows 11. Now, if you want to pin Copilot icon to the taskbar, then simply right click on Copilot icon and here click on pin to taskbar. Also, you can arrange the position. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.